Hazrat Hanzala Usaidi radiyallahu anhu was of the scribes of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He states that Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu met me and said, "O Hanzala, how are you?" I said, "Hanzala has become a hypocrite." Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, "Glory be to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. What are you saying?" I said, "We sit in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam reminds us of paradise and hell until it is as if we were watching them with our eyes. Then when we leave Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and get busy with our wives, children and land affairs, we forget a lot many things." Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we also experience the same." Then I and Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hanzala has become a hypocrite." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "What is its reason?" I submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we visit you and you remind us of paradise and fire until it is as if we were watching them with our own eyes. And when we leave you and get busy with our wives, children and land affairs, we forget all." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "By him in whose possession my soul stays, if your state remained the same as it were in my presence, busy in remembrance of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, the angels alayhimus salam would shake hand with you on your beds and on your ways. But O Hanzala, there is a time for remembrance and there is a time for worldly affairs." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said it thrice. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6900.